Hi, this is Tanya Miss with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy and Apple Tree Home Daycare. And today we're going to make some chicken fried rice for my home daycare kids. I have a low attendance today, so I have time to make more of a involved meal, but it's really simple. So here goes. I've cooked some rice, white rice, in a pot. I've just boiled off a little bit of these frozen peas and carrots to make them defrosted. I've melted a few tablespoons of butter, and we're going to fry up 6. These are small eggs, so I've made 6. Usually you'd have maybe 1 egg per person or 1 egg per 2 people. I'm going to scramble up these eggs. We're going to add in some of our rice. It's better if you make the rice in advance and let it cool. So leftover rice is great for this recipe. We're just going to add several spoonfuls carefully. We are not stirring the rice. We are going to sort of fold it because it is still warm, especially. We're going to add in some soy sauce. I just sprinkle it around. Go sparingly because you can add more. And I'm going to dust the top with garlic powder. It's probably 1 to 2 teaspoons. And then I'm going to gently fold all of this together. Before it's completely folded in, we're going to add our peas and our carrots. We're going to add in some diced up rotisserie cooked chicken from Sam's Club. Gently fold the peas and the carrots and the chicken into your rice and eggs. Now taste test this and see if it needs any more soy sauce or garlic powder. And that's about it. And the kids usually love this. Thanks. If you like this recipe, like, share, subscribe, comment. Have a great week.